You're watching Camilla Ali TV.
So I am working on, I'm making a dress for an event, and here's my pattern that I made. It's like a mermaid style dress. So this is my pattern. So right now I'm cutting out the dress. If you would like a video on how to make your own pattern, comment down below. So I decided I wanted to make it a one shoulder dress. So right now I was cutting it into one shoulder. So you do the front and the back the same way. Okay. And one sleeve, not one shoulder. Well, one sleeve. So I'm gonna have a sleeve, and right now I'm just putting the dress together. Now I'm just putting the sleeve together, and it's gonna be one sleeve for this one shoulder dress. So I did all the finishings using my sewing machine. I didn't use a serger because I was kind of being lazy, and I just zigzagged the seam allowance just to give it a clean finish, and this is what it looks like using my sewing machine. Through the highways till my shadow turns to sun rays. So right now I'm just adding the neck facing to the neckline, the front and the back. And when I'm done that, I'm going to zigzag the outer portion to give it a finished look. So after I'm done this part, you won't see me recording the rest of the dress, like me putting together the rest of the dress, is because my tripod broke, so I wasn't able to finish recording, but I will show you guys the final look. And we'll grow in number, fuel